Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to another flex crafting video. Today I'm just going to be unboxing the Razer Seiren Mini. It is one of their newer releases of microphones by Razer, and I've heard really good things about it. As you can probably hear, my microphone isn't the best, so I figured I'd get something that is pretty good. It is around $50, I believe, and yeah, I'll just go ahead and open it, show you guys what it looks like. You guys can see box is really nice. It's got a very clean finish on it. It's still got that the typical Razer add-on adhesive that all the images are made out of. It's got just a simple Razer logo on the side, information about it on the back, like what it's made of, and as you can see, it has information on the side right here about it as well as on the back. It says compatible with OBS and XSplit Broadcaster, which are the two main streaming and recording platforms. And yeah, I'll go ahead and open it. It has tape right here. It has a little thing that you can pull, so to remove the tape. And yeah, just go ahead and open it up. Okay, so first of all, it has some more things about the microphone. It has a little thank you note letter, I'm pretty sure. It also has the manual for how it's supposed to work. Yeah, it's got manual, and it has stickers inside of it, so that's kind of interesting. Has a little gel thing probably to keep it 100% safe. This is the plug, I'm pretty sure, that connects to the microphone. It comes with a little stand right here, and I believe that's what that is. This is. I will go ahead and open it up. Yep, here's the little stand that you can put. I'm assuming this is the microphone then. Yep, there it is. There's the microphone. Wow, okay. Let me try and put it on the little stand. See how easy that is to do. I appreciate you have to screw this in first and put it on a stand. Okay, that was really simple. Just gotta screw the two things in. And yeah, look at that. That's super small. I don't know how well you can see that, but for comparison, here's my mouse size. There's the microphone. My hand size. Well, it's really not that big of a microphone. It's pretty nice, and I'm pretty sure it works with all mic stands, like the boom arms. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and attach it onto mine and see how well it works. Okay, so for the next part, I figured you guys might as well hear what it sounds like. So this is it. It's relatively far away. I'll pull it up closer. Now it's up pretty close. I'll put a typical pop filter. I put that on it. This is what it sounds like with the pop filter. I'll take it back off. This is what it sounds like just straight on, just the microphone itself. And I figured I'd spin it around so you guys can hear what it sounds like from all sides. So yeah, I'll spin it around. This is from the back. This is from the back. We're moving more towards the front again. And yeah, so that's what it sounds like all the way around. I'll do it a little bit more slower just so you guys can fully understand exactly what it sounds like and let you guys decide how you feel about this microphone. Okay, so this is the direct front. I'm slowly moving backwards. I'm not the back of the mic. I don't know how well you guys can hear me. It's probably going to sound a little bit more muffled, but I'm not sure. Now I'm moving back more towards the front. We're moving closer to the front. We're now on the side of it, and now we are back at the front. This is the correct positional area that you're gonna want to have it in. So yeah, I think it sounds pretty good. Again, you guys can decide for yourself. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you do want to buy this microphone, there will be a link to it in the description. And yeah, please consider subscribing and liking the video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.